Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of John's Random Reviews. Today we're going to be going over the new AquaSonic Black Series Ultra Sonic Toothbrush. I picked this up on Amazon for $36.95. I've been using it for about 3 weeks now. I was looking to initially replace a Philips Sonicare toothbrush that I had picked up from Costco in a 2-pack for $149.99. I've had it for about 3 years before it stopped functioning. Stopped charging, not sure why. A couple things I want to point out. This comes with a travel case. It's not a charging case, it's just a travel case. Spots for 2 brush heads inside and the battery, you can see there. And it also comes with a pedestal charger. Pretty standard thing, you know. It's an induction charger, so you just place it on here. It'll charge in your bathroom on your counter. Very similar to the Philips Sonicare brand. And then it comes with 2-3 packs of extra brush heads, actually. This is a very good deal. So in total with the kit, you get 8 toothbrush heads, which, you know, I think most Philips sets, you know, you may get one extra one besides the one that comes on the toothbrush. You know, initially when I started looking for a new Sonic toothbrush, I was looking on Amazon. I really did not pay much attention to any off brands or unrecognizable brands. You know, I was mainly looking to get another, you know, Sonicare. It's around, you know, maybe $80 for one that's not bottom line, but, you know, one that has, you know, modes. This particular AquaSonic actually has 4 different modes. You have clean, you have soft, whiten, and massage functions on here. It's basically different frequencies. I usually stick to the whiten because it's the highest, fastest frequency. It seems to clean your teeth the best. But if you have sensitive gums, you can go with something that's a little less aggressive. I like, you know, to go heavy on that. That's up for preference though. And to me, that ability to change the frequency is not a deal breaker for me. You know, I know a lot of the Philips Sonicare, essentially it's the same functioning toothbrush, except, you know, this portion has a few extra buttons where you can change the mode. You know, it changes the frequency of the brushing, and some of them, I think the Diamond Clean series, pardon if that's not the name of it, but it's, you know, their most expensive electric toothbrush. I believe even that one has Bluetooth that monitors, you know, oh, your brushing habits. I have no use for any of that. Though I will have to say the AquaSonic, this Black Series, I believe, you know, the marketing behind this, they're targeting the Philips Diamond Clean series. I mean, you look at it, it looks very similar, at least in the promo images. I've never used the Diamond Clean. I had, you know, more of a middle of the road Philips. But, you know, all in all, the build quality is very good on this. It works extremely well, the same, if not better, than the Philips Sonicare. I would highly recommend this from a functionality standpoint. You know, some of the design aspects, I'm not a huge fan of matte black because it shows water stains, it shows, you know, dried up toothpaste if you get anything on there. So you got to make sure, you know, you clean this and wipe it down if you want it to look nice. And even some of the, you know, chrome trim on here, it's kind of cheap. You know, they could have gone, you know, rubbery plastic, and that would have been fine. I guess, you know, it kind of gives it a luxurious look. Me, I'm not a fan of it. And in general, I'm not a huge fan of the design of these brushes, because you have essentially a gap here when you install the toothbrush head where you can get, you know, water, toothpaste, bacteria from your teeth in there. And if you don't clean it regularly, you can get some mold buildup, which I've seen in the past with even the Philips. They're all prone to this because you have a very small gap where moisture can get in there and it won't fully dry out. Usually I'll finish brushing my teeth, I will turn it on a little bit to, you know, get rid of all the excess water here, and I wipe it down and then put it out to dry. Usually not an issue. Overall, AquaSonic, I give this, you know, 5 out of 5 stars. It's a great value. $36.95 from Amazon. You know, your average Philips Sonicare for just the toothbrush and probably one extra head, you know, you're looking $50 minimum on up. You know, if you go to the Black series or the Diamond Clean series, those were on $300. You know, $150 to $300. I think sometimes they come in a 2-pack, so you get better value. But you know, even this, there's a version that is more expensive that comes with the charging cup with the induction charger built into it. I looked into it. I kind of wanted it, but then I saw it was essentially double the cost. Definitely not worth it in my opinion. I don't need that cup, especially for that price. And I assume that's probably what's driving some of the cost increase on the Diamond series for Philips as well. But if you are in the market for a new Sonic toothbrush, you want to save some money, you want something that works well, highly recommend the AquaSonic. Have any questions, any comments, any feedback on the video, please leave them in the comments below, subscribe, and hope to see you soon. Thanks.